Once you have the navigate the workspace, this lesson is walking you through the Databricks Workspace UI, an environment for accessing all of your Azure Databricks objects. The tip is like that. You can manage the workspace using the Workspace UI. We call the Databricks CLI and the Workspace API. Most of the article in the Azure Databricks documentations focus on the performing tasks using the Workspace UI. So here's a homepage. This following the section of the Workspace homepage provides the shortcuts to common task and workspace objects to help you onboard to and navigate the Databricks Data Intelligence Platform. In these sections, I will provide the shortcut to the following the common task access products area. The first, import data using the create or modify table from the file upload page, and create a notebook and create a query and configure an AutoML experiment. I'm going to say the sidebar. This following command Databricks Data Intelligence Platform catalogs are visible at the top of the sidebar. First is workspace, recent. The third is search, catalog, workflows, compute, and machine learning with experiments. I'm starting with not collapse the menu. So here is the sidebar. I'm going to click the workspace. This is an empty folder. You can create things like folders and notebooks and MLflow experiments and file. And here is the workspace on your website, the Databricks website. The initial website, workspace, shared, and user. And then once you click the user, there is my address, folder you can create, and so many. So here's a trash. If you want to delete, you can put it in the trash. So here's the recent and the search and catalog. There's empty data. The workflows, learn more of a workflow, updates your Databricks subscription. So once you have upgraded, you can see you can create the subscription. Another, the menu is compute. All purpose compute is the empty, is no compute. That means your initial website doesn't have any compute system. So once you create the compute to run workload, you can using the workloads, whatever you can make by create the notebook or jobs, something like that. So if you wanna using the machine learning ML, they click the experiments, only my experiments, or create experiments and to using the experiments. Go back to workspace, the full page of workspace browser. The full page workspace browser experiments unified workspace using the file, and then you can see the new file name. You can make it. You can browse content in a Databricks each folder alongside workspace object by clicking workspace in the sidebar. I'm going to click search menu in the sidebar. You can search workspace, notebooks, and queries, and dashboard, and alas, files, folders, library tables registered in United Catalog. So here's a catalog. The catalog has a lot of different job and repository in the single place. You can also access recent views object in the search file. It's going like this. You're using type A or B or C to find the objects such as notebook, query, dashboard, a lot of files, as I said. Next one is the workspace admin and user settings. So once you go to the icon of top of your account, click it, and then you see the delete account and log it out. So click the settings, and then you see you manage your Databricks profile. So display name, groups, and passwords you can change for your Databricks account. All workspace admins and settings are now accessed from the setting. All workspace user settings are now accessed from the setting too. So passwords setting is on the profile tab. So once you click the profile tabs, you see that. So you click the change, you see the change your password. If you don't lose it or if you change another one. So I click the cancel. So how was it? I'm briefing all of the sidebar of the Databricks. See you next video.